What we are going to learn in this session is the investment process. We are going to understand what is the stock market and why it is important. We will also understand the different tools used for long-term and short-term investing and trading, why people make losses in the stock market, what MTS has to offer for successful trading in terms of technical analysis, risk management, and applying the right psychology, how to analyze trends and its different phases, and how we and our students trade at my trading school. Investment is not only money. We are seeing that it is only the 5% who are actually making profits here. They want to become rich overnight. Why? Because stock market went from 2000 to 26,000. If you are a dreamer or a survivor or a trader, your aspiration should be to become a pro trader. Because ye short to medium term view, you want for regular income flow. Till you do not focus on all three, my friends, take it in writing, it is impossible to make money over here. Even if you are 50% successful in your trades, you will yet make money. YouTube graduates who learn and understand bits and pieces of things from YouTube achieve my target here and booked a profit of 66 rupees in 7 days, which is 10% in 1 week. These are the 4 things which are very important to have the right trading mindset. कौन सी डायरेक्शन में प्राइसेस मूव होने वाले हैं, okay? And you also want to understand that what are the turning points of the price. Understand and learn how to trade these and identify these stages of a trend. The trend is your friend till it wins at the very end.